In this video, we're diving into how to actually make money as a video editor. And not just a few bucks here and there, but potentially as much as $8,000 a month or more if you play your cards right. What's going on, everyone? My name's Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you build real income streams online and master the side hustles that actually pay. Now let's break down how video editors are making real money, what tools they're using, where they're finding clients, and how you can set up a workflow that actually scales. We'll go step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start getting paid for your video editing skills. How video editors are making $8,000 per month. Now, let's be honest. When most people think of video editing, they either imagine working for some production company or editing random YouTube clips for a few bucks. But freelance video editors are quietly racking up some real income right now, especially with the rise of short form content. The secret isn't being the best technical editor in the world. It's about knowing how to package your skills, where to find consistent work, and how to speed up your workflow so you're not burning out. All right, let's walk through the full setup. Step 1, where to find clients and get paid. Now, before we jump into some specific platforms or tools, let's take a second to talk about what makes a great client and why that matters. You see, getting paid as a freelance editor isn't just about finding any work. The key is finding the right kind of work from clients who value video content, have consistent content needs, and are willing to pay for quality. The thing is you don't need 100 clients. You just need a few good ones who come back regularly and they actually trust you with their brand. Now, where do you find these clients? Now, one of the fastest ways to get started is Fiverr. Fiverr is a massive marketplace where people are looking for editors for everything from just some simple TikTok videos to full-length courses or YouTube channels. The beauty of Fiverr is you don't have to go out cold pitching anyone. Clients come to you. You set up your profile, create a few services, and start building momentum. If that sounds basic, good, because that's the point. You don't need to overcomplicate things, especially in the beginning. Now, Fiverr is great for building confidence, collecting testimonials, and figuring out what services people actually want and are willing to pay for. Once you've got some wins under your belt, some experience built up, you can expand to higher ticket gigs, or even work directly with brands and creators. Now, if you want to get started with Fiverr, we've got an affiliate link below where you can sign up and get started. Just click the link down below in the description. Step 2, tools that make you faster and better. Let's talk about your editing toolkit, because time is money when you're working with clients. The faster you can turn around solid edits, the more clients you can take on. But more importantly, the easier that your tools are to use, the less burned out you'll get. The fact is, you don't need a Hollywood setup. You just need tools that help you deliver quality content fast. Now, CapCut is a favorite for short form editing. TikToks, Reels, YouTube Shorts. It's lightweight, it's user friendly, and it's packed with a ton of built-in features like auto captions, templates, and transitions. What's really great about it is it works on both desktop and mobile, and you can use it completely for free. That's a huge win if you're just getting started or you're trying to keep overhead low. If you're dealing with longer content, like maybe let's say talking head videos, podcasts, interviews, another great tool that I love is Gling AI, and it can save you a ton of time. How it works is it uses artificial intelligence to trim out silences, other filler words like that, and awkward pauses automatically. That means less scrubbing through hours and hours of footage and more time polishing the final cut. And then there's Descript. It transcribes your footage automatically, and it lets you edit the video by editing the text. Want to cut a word from the transcript? That word disappears from the video. Want to add captions? One click. It's especially powerful if you're working with creators who want captioned podcast clips or branded reels. The thing about these tools is they're not just about speed. They help you offer more value to your clients. Now, when you can deliver polished, captioned, social-ready clips in half the time, you're not just charging for your hours, you're charging for results. Step 3, keeping everything organized. Now, once you've got a couple clients on the calendar, things can easily get messy fast. One client wants a new draft, another's giving some last-minute feedback, and the always dreaded, hey, we love the edit, but can we just change the music? Maybe someone forgot to pay. Welcome to freelancing. Now, that's where ClickUp comes in. So ClickUp is a project management app that helps you track everything from deadlines to revision notes to file deliveries. You can set up folders for each client, break big projects into smaller tasks, and even create checklists for edits so nothing falls through the cracks. What's nice about using something like ClickUp is that it makes you look like you've got your act together, even if under the hood, you really don't. Clients feel more confident working with someone who has a process, a system, even if it's just you behind the scenes. And you feel less overwhelmed because your brain isn't trying to juggle everything at once. So if you're serious about scaling your editing side hustle, this tool is totally worth it. Go ahead and check it out in the link in the description where you can get started for free. Step 4, creating thumbnails, graphics, and deliverables. So video editing isn't always just video editing. Sometimes your client needs a thumbnail for YouTube, or a title card, or an Instagram story version of the same clip. Now, that's where Canva can come in. Canva's insanely useful for non-designers who still need to create amazing looking visuals. You can whip up a YouTube thumbnail, add captions to a vertical video, or design a call to action screen without opening Photoshop. It's drag and drop simple. What this does is it increases the value of every project you deliver. Instead of just sending over a finished edit, you can include social media clips, thumbnails, or custom graphics as part of the package. And that means you can charge more per client without doubling your work. Now, if you want to get started with Canva, we've got a link for you down in the description. And if you sign up for the annual plan, you can also get a discount. Step 5, automate the boring stuff. Last but definitely not least, let's talk about the stuff you don't want to do. Sending follow-up emails, reminding people to pay, answering the same questions over and over. This is where ActiveCampaign comes in. It's an email marketing and automation platform, but you can use it for way more than just newsletters. You can set up a welcome sequence for new clients, build out an automated onboarding process, schedule payment reminders, follow up with clients who haven't sent you new work in a while. Now, it's not flashy, but it's super powerful. And the sooner you start thinking like a business owner, not just a freelancer, the easier it is to grow. Now, if you want to get started with ActiveCampaign, we've got a link for you down in the description below. So if you want to actually make money as a video editor, then you need more than just Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro. You need a system. Start by finding clients on Fiverr and then use tools like CapCut, Descript, and Gling to edit faster and deliver better results. Use ClickUp to keep everything organized, Canva to deliver complete packages, and ActiveCampaign to automate your client communications and scale things up. Every tool that we talked about today has an affiliate link down in the description below, and most of them come with a discount or a free trial or even a free version. So if you want to support the channel and get started the smart way, be sure to click the links down in the description. Those affiliate links means we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on Side Hustle Mastery, we explore a wide range of different side hustle ideas, strategies, and tips to help you make an extra income. So be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.